Good morning, class 10th, chemistry week 2, acid, base and salts. Concept of acid and base is Jabir bin Hayyan, the Muslim scientist, a famous Muslim scientist, Muslim chemist, Jabir bin Hayyan, prepared three acids, HCl, HNO3 and H2SO4, on which the chemistry base. Later than the Lavoisier is another chemist who prepared the binary compounds. Same binary compounds like where the oxygen in the molecular form present. After that, the concept of acid and base. How can we define an acid or a base? Acid, when we check the acid, it changed the red. The acid is derived from the Latin word, a Latin word called acidus. These are actually sour in taste, some citrus fruit or lemon juice. These are the examples of acid. They change the blue litmus paper to red. This is the indication. Blue litmus paper, a type of a specified paper which is when we pour in the acid, it change the color red color. Okay, these are acid. Okay. Bases are actually they are slippery feeling, bitter taste, and they turn red litmus paper to blue. Red litmus paper to blue. These are actually acid and base. Acid change the blue litmus paper to red and the bases change the red litmus paper to blue. This is actually the lab indication of the acid and base. Now let's start our topic, the Arrhenius concept of acid and base. Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius concept of acid and base. What is the concept? The concept is given in 17th century. In 1787, Arrhenius gave their concept about the acid and bases. Acid. What are acid? According to Arrhenius, acid is a substance. It's a substance which dissociate. Dissociate का मतलब बेटा तकसीम होना, splitting. Okay, split into ions. Okay, dissociate mean a thing, a substance which is split into ions. Okay, substance which dissociate in aqueous solution. What is the aqueous solution? A solution which is formed in water is called an aqueous solution. To give hydrogen ion. To give a type of ion, hydrogen ion. According to Arrhenius, acid is a substance which dissociate into aqueous solution gives the hydrogen ion. An example of this HCl. When we mix this substance HCl into the water, okay, mix HCl in water, the HCl dissociate into their ions. Dissociation, split down in their ions. Hydrogen ion and chlorine ion. Okay, this thing. Now another example, another acid, nitric acid. When we dissociate into water, when we mix with water, then it also change hydrogen and nitrate ion. This thing shows that Arrhenius concept of acid. Substance which dissociate in aqueous solution to give the hydrogen ion. This gives hydrogen ion, this also gives the hydrogen ion. The next, on the other side, how Arrhenius define a base. Base, on the other hand, base is a substance dissociate. When we dissociate, which dissociate in aqueous solution, base is a substance which dissociate in aqueous solution and give OH minus ion. OH minus ion means the hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ions. Example of the hydroxide ions. Let's take the example of the very common base, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. The sodium hydroxide, when we dissociate when we mix with water, it also dissociate their ions. One is the sodium ion and second is the hydroxide ion. This is the base. Another example, KOH. When we mix with water or make the aqueous solution, it also dissociate. दोबारा ये split down हो जाएगी. Potassium and hydroxide ion. Okay. So this thing is clear by the Arrhenius concept of acid and base, that when we mix the acid or the base with water in the aqueous solution, when we form an aqueous solution, they change into the hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. So these are the acid and base according to the Arrhenius concept. So the limitation. Now let's discuss the limitation. When Arrhenius, what are the failure of the concept? Actually there are few limitation of its concept. What are the limitation? The first limitation, he said that made the solution in water, everything in the aqueous medium. He used the aqueous medium. ACl in water, HNO3 in water, hydroxide, sodium hydroxide in water. So in this concept, this is only applicable in the aqueous medium and does not explain the nature of acid and bases in नॉन एक्वस मीडियम. क्या करते हैं कि नॉन एक्वस मीडियम को बिल्कुल नहीं बताता. नंबर वन थिंग, दिस इज द फेलियर पॉइंट. द सेकंड पॉइंट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस कॉन्सेप्ट एसिड एंड बेसिस आर दो सब्सटेंस विच कैन गिव. वो कहते हैं भाई एसिड वो है जो आपको हाइड्रोजन आयन देगा हर सूरत, और बेस वो है जो OH नेगेटिव आयन आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा. लेकिन अगर आप बात करोगे तो नेचर ऑफ द कंपाउंड लाइक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, अगर हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की बात करें इसमें ना H+ है आप देख रहे हो ना OH है. अगर आप दूसरे किसी कंपाउंड की बात करो लाइक अमोनिया, तो आप अमोनिया के बारे में भी नहीं बता सकते कि ये आपका जो है वो एसिड है या बेस है. These are the actually failure points. Mean to say, according to this concept, the acid and bases are only those compounds which contain the hydrogen and hydroxide ion. But respectively, it cannot explain the nature of the compound like the carbon dioxide and ammonia, which are acid and base respectively. This is acid and this is base. But after that, although this concept has limited scope, yet it lead to the development of more general theories of the acid-base behavior. The next concept, which is given in 1923, a Denmark Bronsted-Lowry concept. Bronsted-Lowry concept. This concept is given in 1923. In 1923, a Denmark chemist and an English chemist. One is the Denmark, one from the Denmark, Bronsted, and another chemist who is an English chemist, Lowry. Both are studied a lot of reversible reaction, and when they studied the lot of reversible reaction, they gave their concept of acid and bases also. So the basic thing which is used in their concept is the theories of acid and bases of proton transfer. They use a word proton transfer. Proton transfer. So what is the proton transfer? What do you mean by the proton? Proton is actually, when we talk the atom, the structure of the atom, in the nucleus of the atom there are some particles, the proton and the neutrons. Both are present, and outside there in the revolve the electrons are present. Okay, so protons are present, these, and actually the proton and electrons are same in number. So according to the, let's back to our topic, what is acid according to the Bronsted concept and base. So Bronsted says substance molecule or ion can donate a proton. एसिड क्या है भाई? जो प्रोटॉन को डोनेट करेगा. ओके, ये दिस चार्ज शो द प्रोटॉन. एक्चुअली प्रोटॉन के ऊपर एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन हैज ए नेगेटिव चार्ज. ओके, सो प्रोटॉन डोनेटर को आप क्या कह रहे हो? आप कह रहे हो एसिड, एंड द प्रोटॉन जो एक्सेप्ट करे, that is the base. Okay, So, according to the Lowry-Bronsted concept, an acid is a substance, may be the molecule or ion that can donate a proton, and base is a substance which can accept the proton or from another substance. For example, to give you an example of HCl. HCl with ammonia, NH3, reversible reaction. This, in the structure of HCl, hydrogen and chlorine, they are bound with each other. Hydrogen has only 1 electron in their outermost shell, and chlorine has 7 electrons in their outermost shell. So they share this electron, or we can say that this is actually the single. When it gives this electron to another one, becomes a proton. Mean to say, look at the reaction example. HCl plus NH3, finalize. Total H is given to this. Means the proton is given to ammonia and become an ion. The conjugate acid is formed. Conjugate acid is formed, and the chlorine ion are separate out. Okay, this the total proton donator. This is total proton donation. Okay, so we said that HCl is an conjugate base and the NH4 is the conjugate acid. Okay, what are the conjugate acid and conjugate base? Conjugate means joined together as a pair. Okay, it means every acid produce a conjugate base and every base produce a conjugate acid. A conjugate acid is actually the species formed by the acceptance of a proton, and conjugate base is a species formed by the donation of a proton by an acid. Let's explain with another example. Acetic acid, CH3COOH plus H2. CH3COOH is an acid, acetic acid, and H2O is a base, water. Water is used as a base. Actually, water has a property. It acts with acid as a base and act as base with an acid. So we said that water is actually an amphoteric in nature. किसी कोई भी ऐसा सब्सटेंस हो जो एसिड के साथ बेस की तरह रिएक्शन करना शुरू कर दे और बेस के साथ एसिड की तरह रिएक्शन करना शुरू कर दे, तो आप उसके लिए एक स्पेसिफाइड वर्ड यूज़ करते हो केमिस्ट्री में, उसे कहते हो एम्फोटेरिक. तो वाटर में ये प्रॉपर्टी है. ओके, सो वी यूज़ एन एसिड, द एसिडिक एसिड एंड वाटर एज एन बेस. नाउ in reversible reaction, what happens? This proton is totally donated to water and becomes H3O. Okay, what is H3O? This is actually conjugate acid. So what is a conjugate acid? A conjugate acid is a species which is formed by accepting, कैसे बनाइए, accepting a proton by a, ठीक है, accepting a proton. सेकेंड इसके साथ आप देख रहे हो, आपका लेफ्ट वन क्या रह गया, दिस वन. आप इसके साथ लिख दोगे CH3COO. ये क्या होगा आपका, दिस इज कॉन्जुगेट बेस. ओके, क्लियर हो गया. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज ACl with an ammonia. Second is acetic acid with an base of water. Okay, water. Now another example, water. अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि एम्फोटेरिक है. So acid and base. Here ammonia is an base. Okay, so मैंने आपको कहा कि यहाँ पे मैं एसिडिक एसिड यूज़ किया तो वाटर ने एज एन बेस अपना काम किया. अब यहाँ पे आप बेस यूज़ कर रहे हो अमोनिया, तो वाटर को क्या करना चाहिए, एज एन एसिड काम करना चाहिए, तो ही ये बात प्रूफ होगी ना कि एम्फोटेरिक है. तो आप क्या करते हो, जब ये रिएक्शन होगा तो इन द रिजल्ट ऑफ द रिएक्शन, अब रिएक्शन में क्या होना है, यहाँ से आपके पास NH3 अमोनिया के पास जाना है एक प्रोटोन, यहाँ से एक प्रोटोन अमोनिया को मिलके NH4 प्लस फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगी और वाटर में से OH आइन आपका लेफ्ट रह जाए। ओके, तो प्रूफ हो गया ना कि वाटर बेस के साथ एसिड के साथ एज एन बेस वर्क करता है और बेस के साथ एज एन एसिड वर्क करता है। So such a substance that can behave as an acid as well as a base is called the infraredic. So it has been observed that certain substances which behave as acid do not have the ability to donate proton. ये उसकी limitation थी. Similarly, CaO behaves as an acid but cannot accept a proton. These observations prove that limitation of the Bronsted-Lowry concept about the acid and bases. Thank you very much.